Victory gardens, y'all. It is the year for it. We are going in full throttle. I don't care if you've never gardened before, if you've dabbled in it, or if you're a full-blown expert. We are doing victory gardens this year, no matter if you just got a balcony, a window, or 20 acres to your name, okay? This is your beginner guide to starting your victory garden. Every level will do this. Every place will do this. I don't even care if you don't got windows. We will make it work, girl. We will make it work, girl, because the time is now, okay? And we're gonna start easy. Here are 5 ways. I had to make sure there was only 5. 5 ways to get your victory garden started on the right foot. Let's go. First off, create a wish list. So many people are like, I don't know where to start. And so they go and they go buy all the plants because it's like that adrenaline, like you're like, yes, it's one of those like the hobby things, like buying hobby supplies and actually doing the hobby are 2 different hobbies. Gardening supplies is kind of the same thing. You go in and you buy all the plants because you want them and you're so excited, and then you go home and you don't take care of any of them because you don't really care about these plants. I don't like eggplant. I'm not planting eggplant, okay? You're gonna make a wish list of just the fruits and veggies that you like. Not all of these things on your list will go in the garden this year probably, but we're just making a wish list. What do you like? You like tomatoes? You like peppers? Write them on your list. First step is make a wish list. We make a wish list for our babies. We make a wish list for our houses. We're making a wish list for our garden, okay? Write it down, girl. Second thing is evaluate your space, okay? You're gonna go look and see where are these plants gonna go. So many of us are like, oh, I only have a balcony. They're gonna go on the balcony. Oh, I don't even have windows and they're on the north side or whatever, and the others don't have any light. They're gonna go in your living room under some lights that you're gonna buy unless you don't have the money to buy them, but like they're kind of inexpensive now. For now, for now, okay? So evaluate your space. Is it gonna go out in your lawn? Do you have a sunnier space? Do you have a shady space? You're gonna figure out where your plants are going and what kind of sun conditions you're working with, because there will be a plant for that space, okay? Third thing is plan for easy wins, okay? We're not gonna go, oh my gosh, I'm going full throttle, acre, I'm just plowing it down and planting seeds. That's a lot. That's a lot for a beginner. We're gonna do easy wins, okay? Easy wins. So many of us are like, I have a black thumb and everything I do kills. Okay, we're going for easy wins. Things like microgreens. Look up just basic set of microgreens, put them in a jar, or not a jar, but like, we'll do a video on that, okay? But anyways, you're gonna do microgreens, you're gonna put them in the windowsill, and you just watch them grow for like a couple weeks, and then you cut them down and eat them in your salads. Easy win. All these little easy wins, like growing salad, like growing spinach, all those things, easy wins will get you more confidence, and it'll get the ball rolling for even bigger wins later, okay? But first, we're starting out with easy wins so we're not intimidated, and we're building up our confidence a little bit, okay? That's what we're doing for our victory garden. It's all right. It's all right. It's gonna be good. Fourth is look up your area's requirements. You can go to the Farmer's Almanac online and put in your zip code, and it'll tell you information about your zip code, okay? You will want to know what zone you're in and all that stuff. It's not overwhelming. You just got to know where to go. Farmer's Almanac is the best resource for that. It is awesome. Start there and just get to know your area a little bit, okay? The fifth thing is find a mentor in your area. Call around. There are so many extension centers from like county extension centers where you can have your soil tested, all that stuff. Call and be like, hey, is there a gardening association that I can get like involved with? You'll want to find a mentor who has walked through your area, has walked through your weather, and has grown successfully, and start learning from them, okay? There are gardening associations. There are so many resources. Look on Facebook for your area for gardening. Like there will be people around you who know what to do and who can train you, okay? I'm just your hype man. My channel is not a one-stop shop. I am learning alongside with you. I just have a few years experience where it was kind of lazy gardening, but that's what I'm coming to you with. I am your hype man, okay? So this is how we get started, but you're gonna need to do the work of finding people in your area, doing your own wish list, not bumming off mine or anything like that. Like you can do this, and we're gonna do it together. I'm so excited to bring back the American spirit that is needed during this time, and so excited to let go of all the excuses we've had before, because we're done with those, girl. We're done with those. We're gonna win, and we're gonna win our own soil in our own backyards by feeding our families, okay? Love you. Subscribe. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. Bye.